Tainan, Taiwan, baby. Another adventure, another day. Let's go. Here we go. Okay, guys, John West Travels, we're back again. I just got to the FX Hotel here in Tainan, Taiwan. Let's go inside and see what this place is actually like. The views of the old city are magnificent. Those roofs are great. The metal roofs keep all the water out. The streets are clean. The lobby is extremely modern. There's a large seating area and a breakfast area downstairs. I didn't spend much time down here, but everything looked clean and extremely organized, and everybody was extremely nice. Down this hallway, you have the restaurant area where you can come and eat the breakfast. Nobody was there yet. It was pretty early. Now I'm making my way up in the hallway, and this is going to be the room, guys. It wasn't enormous, but it had plenty of space for me. It was reasonably priced at about 1,500 NT, which is only about $45. There was a desk, and everything was very clean when I arrived. The bathroom was simple. Everything I needed. Nothing was super luxurious, but it was completely fine for just a short stay. That picture of the old town is great. They gave me 2 double beds. I don't know why. I was all by myself. There is the view from the top. They're making a new hotel right across the street. More views right here. This was my favorite part, guys. Safety first, safety first. Always have to know where the fire escape is. Always have to know safety first. They have a tea set up for you. You can have coffee, tea. They actually have tea bags, and they have instant coffee you can pour right here in the hallway. Also to the left, they have a hot water station. You can just come and pour the hot water right out of there, right as you come down outside of the hotel. All of a sudden, there was the craziest part happening. I walked right outside. There was a huge traditional temple processing going on directly across the streets near the hotel. There were performers, costumes, music, and people were everywhere. I had no idea this was happening when I booked the room. Overall, guys, FX Hotel Tainan was a very solid place to stay, guys. The room was clean, the hotel was comfortable, and the location was the best part of it all. It was an unbelievable location. Would I stay here again? Yes, especially if I wanted to be right in the middle of the action of Tainan, the best historical old city, in my opinion, in Taiwan. Although I've only been to 4 of the cities yet, I will be back to explore more, guys. Stay tuned. We will have the full temple processing parade shortly.